MacBook. So we ordered the back in what month? September did we get it? September we ordered an M2 Mac 16-inch, and now we decided to get another one so we can both be working on stuff at the same time. So we got a new M3 Mac 14-inch, the new space black color. Yay!
I'm so excited. I love how everything Apple ships is just so elegant.
I'm really excited to see the new color.
I'm so excited to finally have a computer. Ooh,
Cool.
that's beautiful.
Supposed to be pretty fingerprints.
Hopefully, I got sweaty fingerprints, so we'll see. I'm so excited. Hello.
All right.
I love it. Honestly, the 16-inch is like huge.
It does seem a good bit smaller. I'm surprised, and I have heard a lot of people going from the 16 to the 14 and liking it a lot. I think it will be good to have both. Like, that's what I'm saying. It's not all yours. We're still sharing both of them.
Okay.
Sounds like you're the one that's not good with sharing.
We thought it was going to get here on the 19th to the 23rd originally, so
yes,
pretty
it ended
exciting.
up being great that it got in today because it's MLK Day, so we ended up being off and we're home when it got here, so that was really nice. Got the black cord to go with it. That's nice.
That is nice. Elegant.
Okay.
Do we have a block?
Yeah, I think there's one in there. Ooh, yeah. I like these new cords that they come with.
Yeah. So much better than that plasticky material it used to be covered with. That one could be a little more elegant, I think.
Yeah, this is beautiful, but you know what? TC hair is really gonna show up on this.
I'm looking at my pants and I'm thinking that, yep, you look correct.
But I guess that will help make sure you
I
it's
love
keeping
that
it clean.
charger.
So let's do it all as like a new thing.
Oh my goodness, these keys.
Isn't it nice?
It's so nice.
She's coming from the 2017 MacBook Pro that has the terrible butterfly keyboard that's been known to be, have a ton of problems. And had a reclaim, I think, on it or something.
Pulling up my iCloud. Ooh, look at these black stickers.
Ah, let me go in. You are?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean? All right.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Now what should I do?
Do you want to go ahead and go through some of the settings or? Okay.
There is an update available.